I'm the loyal dog who lives in Macbeth's castle. I can't read, but I see, hear, and smell everything. I notice the eyes, the heartbeats, the scents, all the secrets humans try to hide. Today, I will tell you the story of Macbeth, from the moment ambition awakened to the day it destroyed my master. That day, a strange smell spread everywhere. The three witches appeared, cold and dark. I heard Macbeth's heartbeat getting faster. Banquo was surprised.
Well, Macbeth, that's what came here after. What? Unbelievable thing? If chance will have anything, why? Chance may crown me without my sword.
In that moment, I sensed something awakening inside him. A spark, small but dangerous, flickered behind his gaze. The witches spoke of crowns and future, and though Macbeth tried to stand tall, the scent rising from him told the truth. Fear mixes with a strange excitement. It swirled around him like smoke. I didn't understand it then, but now I know that was the first breath of ambition, and like a scent of blood in the night, it pulled him forward into danger he could not yet see. When Macbeth returns, Lady Macbeth reads the letter. I can sense strategy in the air, an undercurrent of manipulation from her. He is hesitant, wavering, and in his eyes I catch a flicker of fear mixed with ambition.
Look like the innocent flower, but be the sharpened undirt.
I have no spur to prick the size of my intent, but only vaulting ambitions.
Square your forehead to the sticking place, and will not fail.
The scent of ambition grew so thick, I could almost taste it. It clung to the wall, to the hands, to the very stones of the castle. That night, I realized something I had never understood about humans, that power can twist honesty into cruelty. Macbeth, my master, was changing. He is no longer the loyal general he once was.
I have done the deed. This deed must not be taught after this way, so it will make us mad. Methought I heard a voice cry, "Sleep no more, Macbeth the murder sleep." Now, go get some water and wash this filthy with nip from your hand.
Lady Macbeth tried to steady him. Her voice was smooth, softer than usual, but beneath it, I heard cracks. Fear she wouldn't show, panic she tried to bury. She wiped his hands, guided him, and commanded him. But guilt doesn't wash away like dirt. It clung to them both, seeping into the castle stones, into their clothes, into their minds.
Around and quite my side, let the earth hide thee, let thee bones are marrowless, thy blood is cold.
Sick worthy friends, my lords are often thirst, and have been from his youth. You have displayed the mirth for the good meeting, which now admire disorder.
I moved through the room, trying to understand, trying to help, but madness was everywhere, floating in the air, clinging to Macbeth's skin, shaking through the floor beneath us. The man who once led armies now trembled before a god no one else could see, and I realized, with a heaviness no dog should ever feel, that the crown he wore has become a chain. His fear, his guilt, his ambition, they was devouring him from the inside. At that banquet, order shattered. Macbeth no longer smelled like a man in control. He smelled like someone lost, hunted, collapsing under the weight of his own deed. And I, his loyal dog, could do nothing but watch